as social media platforms continue to grow and evolve. The popularity of short-form videos is also increasing. Short-form videos are now a staple of online content, with platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels providing an ideal platform for users to create and share videos that are engaging and attention-grabbing. However, creating high-quality short-form videos can be challenging, especially if you're a beginner. The process of scriptwriting, recording, and editing can be time-consuming, and you may not have the technical skills or resources needed to create professional-looking videos. Before we dig any deeper, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with our latest videos, tutorials, and helpful tips. Check out the description and comment section for more details and a link to an in-depth demo video. Lisa had always dreamed of making a living as a content creator. She had a natural talent for video editing and loved creating short-form videos for social media. However, she struggled to gain traction and make a steady income. That all changed when Lisa discovered the power of short-form video. She realized that short videos were more engaging and had higher retention rates than longer ones. So she started creating short videos that showcased her editing skills and shared them on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Lisa's videos started getting more views and engagement. People loved her creative editing style and began following her on social media. Soon, brands began reaching out to her, asking her to create videos for their products. With her newfound success, Lisa was able to quit her day job and focus on creating videos full-time. She even started offering video editing services to other content creators and small businesses. Thanks to short-form video, Lisa was able to turn her passion into a profitable career. She continues to create engaging videos and inspire others to pursue their dreams. That's where ShortsAI comes in. ShortsAI is a cloud-based app that simplifies the process of creating short-form videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. With built-in AI, ShortsAI generates scripts for you, reads them on your mobile device while recording, and removes any unintentional pauses. The result is a professional-looking video that delivers your message confidently and concisely, without the need for cue cards or memorization, making ShortsAI an ideal solution for social media managers, content creators, video marketers, small business owners, and freelancers who want to capitalize on this trend. One of the biggest advantages of using ShortsAI is that it's beginner-friendly. The app takes care of the scriptwriting, recording, and editing, so you can focus on delivering your message. Additionally, the app is cloud-based, so you don't need to download or install anything. Another advantage of ShortsAI is its suitability for social media platforms. Short-form videos work well on social media because they are concise and attention-grabbing. With ShortsAI, you can create engaging videos that are perfect for social media. Using ShortsAI is easy and straightforward. You can generate a script using the built-in AI and read the script on your mobile device while recording. The app will automatically remove any unintentional pauses, and you can deliver your message confidently and concisely. Short-form videos are effective because they establish a connection with your audience quickly. They're also ideal for mobile viewing and are perfect for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Short-form videos are also great for ads and marketing campaigns because they're attention-grabbing and can be consumed quickly. Now see the demo showcasing how to use the iPrompter to create campaigns and generate scripts. Using the iPrompter, campaigns can be created, an idea entered, and a script generated. The video can then be recorded and edited. The finished video can be exported and published to social media platforms. But the best part is, you're not just getting access to a powerful video creation tool, but also some incredible bonuses that will take your social media creation game to the next level. With our Fast Action Bonus 01, making 6 figures with ShortsAI, you'll learn effective ways to monetize your marketing services agency, unlocking the potential to earn 5x what you'll pay today. This 3-part bonus session series is exclusively available to ShortsAI users. Fast Action Bonus 02, 50+ easy ways to create videos, is the ultimate guide to unlocking the power of video creation. With beginner-friendly tips and advanced techniques, you'll be able to create professional quality videos in no time. Fast Action Bonus 03, 1-minute app, is a game-changing cloud-based mobile app builder. With just one click, you can create unlimited mobile apps for both iOS and Android, without any coding, tech skills, or developers needed. But that's not all. With our Turbocharger Bonus 01, Social traffic automation. You'll learn how to drive a steady stream of traffic from social media to your website on autopilot, using proven strategies and cutting-edge tools. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to a flood of visitors with our expert guide. And with our Turbocharger Bonus 02, $2,000 YouTube Marketing Guide, you'll learn how to leverage the power of YouTube to drive traffic and grow your business. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to expert guidance with this comprehensive guide. Don't miss out on these exclusive bonuses. Only available for a limited time when you purchase ShortsAI today, using any of the links in the description or comment section.